Hi, Professor Wheeler. I'm Kai. This is my CIS 9467 final project. I'm going to analyze Tesla's financial performance from different perspectives, such as comparable company analysis, historical data analysis with a dashboard, and a project selection with Excel solver, new data, enter sheet with VBA code will also be presenting. All the data in my final project comes from XBRL to Excel.com. I downloaded multiple annual reports from this website. Alright, let's take a look at comparable company analysis first. As we know, Tesla, Ford, and GM are the three largest US automakers by market capitalization. Regarding the profitability, Tesla performed poorly and have the lowest net profit margin last year, which is over negative 16%. The reason is that Tesla is a rapid growth technology company and concentrates on driverless car, therefore burning a lot of cash, while Ford and GM are traditional automakers, who has been in business for over 100 years and focus on maximizing the return. Moreover, Tesla fell short on scale. For example, Tesla only made less than 100,000 vehicles at its single factory in California last year, whereas GM and Ford both sold over 10 million cars. The larger the scale is, the lower the cost. And we can also see the scale different in revenues. And when it comes to research and development, Tesla's R&D intensity set it apart from the traditional car maker. We can see it's over 11%, roughly twice as high as its competitors. And when it comes to liquidity ratios, I found that Tesla have the lowest current ratio at 0.86, which indicates that it may have a hard time paying its current liability in the short run. And with over 50% of current assets is cash, Tesla has the highest cash ratio at 0.44, but it doesn't make too much sense here. In addition to peer comparison, I create a dashboard with 4 charts to explore historical data. Top left, profitability ratio. We can see that although the revenues kept going up every year, Tesla keep losing money. The net profit margin have never been positive. Obviously, it's not sustainable unless Tesla reverses this trend. It's reported that the cost of producing battery will decline below 20% in 2020 as the company produces more cars and completes the construction of another factory. Top right, the chart shows that Tesla is pretty popular. We can see the production match up with the sales, and the sales is always going up. The only problem the company have is that Tesla can produce enough of car. Tesla set up an additional production line in 2018, so we can see the line is going up a little bit, but it's still unable to hit its Model 3 production targets of 5,000 vehicles per week. Bottom left, the chart illustrates Tesla's relentless focus on R&D, and Tesla kept plowing cash flow into R&D, averaging 20% of its revenue, which is amazing. Bottom right, the light chart shows the liquidity capability of Tesla was declining in the past 5 years. So maybe it's time for Tesla to build a liquidity cushion. And for adding new data, I created a data enter sheet with using Excel macros. User can just input the data and then click the button to get it updated. I already make up some financial data and sales data for 2018, so let's have a try and add finance data, as new sales data, and click, and it will automatically populate in the corresponding data. And let's see. Sorry. Here. Let's view the sales data. Now it's here. And moreover, our dashboard is got automatically updated. We can see the data for 2018. And also create Visual Basic menus in multiple sheets, which is user friendly and can navigate user in a complicated workbook. And here is my VBA codes and documentation. And as an innovative company with crazy idea, Tesla probably has lots of potential projects. But the reality is that the resource is always limited, such as capital. Therefore, I bring this module into my workbook for project selection. The criteria for choosing a project is maximized net present value. As we can see, all 4 projects have positive net present value. We would like to take them all. However, each project have capital requirements. And our constraint is the capital available from year 1 to year 4 is limited. So we need to decide whether a specific project should be invested by setting them up as binary variables. 1 means to invest, 0 means not. So let's activate Excel solver. Here I already set up the parameter. We can see the objective, the changing variables, and the first constraint is to set changing variable as binary variables. And the second constraint is that the capital requirements should lower than the capital available for each year. So let's click solve. And okay, so we got a maximized net present value here with 3 out of 4 projects selected. The answer report is also available here for reference. Alright, here is my final project. Thank you so much for watching.